It all sounds so religious. And I don't care anymore because that's what works. Surrendering to God, which is within you. God, the Holy Spirit is within. The Spirit of the living God is within you and can save you from all desperation. Peace is brought to you when you make the changes, when you surrender your life and you meditate upon God daily. I don't care how religious it sounds, it's spiritual and it's real. God is real. This is all God. I don't care if it sounds religious and people have a bad taste from religion. Get over it. This is between you and God.